Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes we offer. My mum once told me that when she retired, she decided that she was going to stop watching the news, and that she found out, as a result, her general levels of happiness and well-being increased massively. Unfortunately, I still suffer from a little bit of a news addiction, and I like to try and keep up with what's going on, both within the country and in the world. Yesterday I was watching an announcement from our Prime Minister here in the United Kingdom in the front room, and even though I was on my own, I started swearing and cursing and shouting. My wife came through from the kitchen looking a bit bemused and asked me, "What are you effing and blinding about? We can hear you in the other room." I replied, just Boris fucking Johnson. Again, as usual. If someone's effing and blinding, they're swearing and cursing in an angry way. The effing stands for fucking. We sometimes talk about the F word. Yeah, the blinding comes from "may God blind me" originally. And so the idea of effing and blinding is using lots of bad words. In the same way, you might say that, I walked into the office the other day and my boss was on the phone effing and blinding at somebody. Or someone started complaining in a restaurant, and when they didn't give him a full refund, he started effing and blinding at the staff there. Maybe if you tell someone who's effing and blinding to calm down, they might tell you to F off. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, tell us about any time you've seen somebody effing and blinding, or what do you usually F and blind about?